welcome back to Deadly Outlaws. 5 stars.
Huckleberry, Wildberry here.
This video is sponsored by the Coldest Water. You can go to thecoldestwater.com and put promo code in MOutlaws where you get $4 off your entire order. So basically, what's about this Coldest Water? What makes it so special? Well, it can float in oceans and pools. You'll never lose it. It can stay cold up to 36 plus hours or 100 plus hours, depending on size. And there's some more information about it. So it says, the coldest summer. Basically, fully insulated 2.0 lid technology, which keeps water colder longer. First ever. No sweat technology. Fits in 99% of cup holders, bike racks, and cars. Rubber grip and big handle for carrying. Perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Durability, very strong and solid build. Fits big ice cubes. Odor resistant. Hashtag coldest, hashtag sponsor. All right, guys. So be sure to check out to thecoldestwater.com and tell Mike Outlaw sent you. Well, howdy, Outlaws. Look what I mean today. A salad. Thumbnail. Romios right here. We're having a great time at SoccerCon. And I'm eating a salad. A chicken Caesar salad. That's healthy for you. Here you guys go. All right, I'm going to eat it. You got that good Caesar dressing. Oh, look at all these croutons on here. Look. That crouton's kind of sour. They drenched it in cheese. So, Outlaws, if you're ever here in downtown Seattle, tell Mike Outlaw told you should check out Romios Pizza because they have good pizzas here, pasta, as well as tasty salads right here.
Oh, I know. I know, just drink. I got what you like. I'm going to tell you, man. I'm going to price. I know.
What does Bully think of his salad?
We got a nice salad. What's it called?
Chopped salad.
Chopped salad.
Garbanzo beans.
You got garbanzo beans in it, salami, olives, cheese, tomatoes.
You got, what kind of lettuce is this? Iceberg lettuce and
iceberg
some
lettuce.
romaine.
And some romaine.
And what kind of dress you got?
Italian dressing.
Oh, okay. Is it no balsamic? Balsamic vinaigrette.
No, balsamic vinaigrette.
Or is it Italian?
First Italian one, but it's pretty good.
Okay, I think it looks like Italian.
And I like the salad. I'm gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5.
That was Bully's salad you just tried. I like these croutons here, Nick. Are these like dried croutons? They taste very sour. Pumpernickel. That's what it is. Pumpernickel. Tastes like it.
Okay. Rye bread's kind of sour.
We'll call it pumpernickel. Pumpernickel, very sour in this. Or rye bread. Had a great time at the convention, guys. Filming interviews, had a blast. Bully liked his salad, where he has a lot.
Okay, chef special. What? Oh, are you recording yourself?
Yeah.
An extra meat for you? Do you want extra sauce?
So on Outlaws rating for this chef salad, I give this a 5 out of 5. It's delicious. I like the Caesar salad, Caesar dressing. And croutons on here are good. Right croutons. here,
This
Fox.
for you?
Yeah, thank you. You're good.
Yeah.
So, guys, 5 out of 5. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And like I say, at the end of this video, I'm going to recommend some good content for you. Roll the credits. You can click on these videos up here. My playlist for Outlaws 5-star reviews. Click around to find out. And check out the FTW podcast and patreon.com/outlawsgeneration. That's it for the review. You can't review it until you get until next time on this Outlaws 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 out.